In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a calendar in Notion. Whether you're looking to fully collaborate with someone or simply share your availability, this feature can be incredibly useful for managing schedules, meetings, or team projects. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to open your calendar within Notion. Once you have your calendar page in front of you, the next step is to bring up the command menu. The quickest way to do this is by pressing Ctrl+K on your keyboard. This handy shortcut takes you to a quick search bar where you can access various commands. In this case, you'll want to type in the word Invite. As you do so, an option labeled Invite to Notion Calendar will appear. Go ahead and click on that option. At this point, you can enter the name or email address of the person you wish to share your calendar with. It's important to make sure they have a Notion account because they will need one to access the calendar. Once you've entered their information, hit Send. The person you've invited will be added as a member and will have immediate access to the calendar. Now, perhaps you're thinking that you don't want to share your entire calendar, but would prefer to just share your availability. This is especially helpful if you want someone to book time with you without viewing all your calendar details. To do this, you'll need to change your calendar from a monthly view to a weekly view. Switching views is a simple step, and once you've done so, you'll notice a new option appears on the right side of the screen. It's called Share Availability. Click on this option. This is where the fun begins. You can now drag across the weekly calendar to highlight the time slots where you're available. Once you've selected your preferred time slots, hit the Create button. Notion will then generate a public link for you. This link can be copied and shared with anyone you choose. When they access this link, they'll be able to see only the times you've marked as available, which is ideal for scheduling meetings without granting full access to your calendar. And there you have it. Sharing your calendar or just your availability in Notion is a breeze when you follow these simple steps. It's a great way to streamline collaboration and make scheduling effortless. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your Notion experience even better.